Man, I wish this pizza was cooked.
Hey, check out this new microwave Mom got.
Why does she need that?
I don't know, but it's a silly microwave. Let's try it out.
Okay.
No, don't put that in there. Kennedy.
What? I want to try hot Twizzlers.
No, you need the spicy hot, not the temperature hot. Big baby.
Massive baby.
Ginormous baby.
Whatever you would.
No, I already told you no.
Whatever, I'm typing it in.
Oh, Kennedy. Mom told me to watch you carefully, not to put crazy Twizzlers in the oven.
Oh wait, they're done.
What just... This should do it.
This should do it.
We should take advantage of this. Oh, yeah.
Let's put this knife in. Ow!
Are you okay? No one can ever see you like this. I'll put you in the microwave. The microwave acts like it's really small, but it's really big. How long should I roast a human? Maybe about 3 minutes. Yummy. Sweet, sweet victory.